Sure. Most statement saying they told us what we call invest 35,000 and it accumulates to 55,000 over a period of 5 years. And what compound interest rate would you need to secure this? So we will collect data. How accumulated the amount really at the end of your investment in the future. Give 55,000. Then how you invest in guy which is 35,000. Then IR9 are over 100. Then we have our earning years, which is 5. So we need to use the compound interest rate. So the very formula A is equals to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power N. So then we substitute the 55,000 more A is equals to 85,000 more P open bracket plus 1. 1 plus, yeah. IR9, which is I to the power 5. Then Mr. said we can multiply, is not the solution. So we're gonna do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. We're gonna divide both sides by 35,000.
Yeah, in fact, here you can't multiply. Because this one is to the power of 5. Can you see that? Yes. And then this one is to the power of 1. You can't multiply if they have two different exponents. That is why I said with the simple interest you could. But with this one, it can't. You can't do it even if you wanted to. It's not mathematically correct.
Then 35,000 and 35,000 divide each other out. Then 55,000 over 35,000. 11 over 7. Then the simple interest, break it down bracket, but the compound interest don't have to the power 5 for now. So we're gonna square both sides to the power to the 5th root. Yes. Root which is to the power 5. Then come on the right hand side. You cancel a bracket left 1 plus I. So then you're gonna transpose one to the other side. Yes. So answer how your I is 0,09 09460 87 87 7 is the 8, yeah, 8422. Okay, then we are not looking for I, but we are looking for R. So we're gonna multiply decimal 100 over R, which gives us 9,46%. Which is
and we saw the mistake. Most of us when we were rooting here, we forgot to put the 5. So it's not a square root, it is a 5th root. This one they can give you something like 5 marks for something like this. Or 4.